Hello there. Today I will do a quick video on how to spawn a Sentinel on the public Incentivized testnet. After the latest tweet from Zenon, many are setting up Sentinels. Hope this video will help. You will need a VPS, virtual private server. I will help you set up one if you are unfamiliar with it. If you are new and not aware of Zenon Network and the Incentivized stage, watch the videos in the description. I have also linked some informative articles to read, which will give you a good idea about this project. First, let's sign up for a VPS, for those who haven't yet. For this tutorial, we will use UpCloud. Fill in the required details for signing up. In the promo code tab, type 98J4W7, this will give you free $25 for a free trial. The free trial is for 72 hours. I suggest manually top up a $10 payment if you have successfully registered the Sentinel, and plan to run it for a month. Lastly, click on Deploy Server. Once deployed, choose your server preferred location. Next, choose your package. We will choose the $20 package, which gives you 2 cores processor and 4 GB RAM. Next, choose the operating system. We will choose Ubuntu 20.4 LTS. And then click Deploy. Once deployed, you will get an email with your username and password. You can also see them in the notifications. To spawn a Sentinel, first you have to register it. Let me show you how. Click on the Sentinels tab, select Spawn Sentinel. You will need a minimum of 50,000 test QSRs and 5,000 test ZNNs. Deposit the minimum requirements by simply following the steps on the wallet. And then, click Register. You can use your wallet receiving address to register. Next, open the PowerShell app. Please note, every space, every caps matter. So copy and paste it from the Pastebin. All commands are in there, you will find it in the YouTube video description. Type SSH, space, root, or the username provided by the VPS provider. Followed by @, followed by the IP address, which will be on the home page of UpCloud. Press Enter. It will ask you for your password. Enter the password that was emailed to you by UpCloud. Or check the notification on the UpCloud home page. The first thing we will do is change your password, for security reasons. Once logged in into the server, type in passwd, it will prompt you to key in the new password. Next, we will update, upgrade and install the NTP, which is the Network Time Protocol service. It is very straightforward. Type in apt update, with space in between. It will run and install the updates for Ubuntu. Followed by apt upgrade. And then type or paste apt get install NTP. It will install the NTP service. Restart the server once it is done. You can do that from the home page of UpCloud. Let's move on. Log in again with SSH user ID and password. Copy and paste the following. All the links to paste will be in the description below. Remember, every caps, every space matter. Follow the flow from the Pastebin. The next few steps are very important. Follow the commands. Press Enter after every command. 1. apt install zip. 2. wget//testnet.znn. /downloads/CNN Public Incentivized Testnet Bundle Linux am64.zip. 3. Unzip ZNN, Public Incentivized Testnet, Bundle, Linux, am64.zip. 4. chmod, +x, znnd. 5. chmod, +x, znn-cli. 6. chmod, +x, znn-deployer. 7. ls-la. Once you key in ls-la, you should see znnd, znn-cli, and znn-deployer in green. Next, paste or key in .znn-cli, enable RPC. And then, .znn-deployer. You will get a list of options. Choose number 5, which is Configure Sentinel. Click Enter. It will then ask you to input the Sentinel registering address. Paste your wallet address, which was used to register the Sentinel with on Syrius Wallet. Enter. It will ask you to input a name for the Sentinel. Enter. That's it, you're done. You can go back to the deployer and choose option number 6, that is check node status. It will show you that you have Sentinel with the configuration you applied. You can always go back to the deployer and check if the ZNND service is running by choosing number 7. Please try this at your own risk. I do not hold any responsibility if unsuccessful. Join the community, links in the description. If you need any help, comment on the video. Or reach me on Telegram or Twitter. Thank you.